up, everybody? So I need some help. Number one, my problem is that camera right there. Got my mic adapter in way sooner than what it was supposed to be here, you know, and I think I even mentioned that. And tried to record. Don't you do it, you cocksucker. Tried to record a video with it twice. I was on my way to work and I recorded a video. Actually, I didn't actually record a video. I was just kind of just doing test, blah 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 blah, you know. And when I got to work, I kind of reviewed the footage later on, and I have a real bad crackling sound in my microphone. Like, it's bad. And not just my mic, I mean, it's just in the audio itself. It's a real bad crackling sound. What's up, everybody? How's it going? So I talked to Jester. We went through all my settings, and the only thing he's seen that I had on that I shouldn't have had on was he said I should turn off quick capture, so I did. I got on the GoPro forum and kind of read other. There's a shit ton of people had this fucking problem with an external mic having problems with crackling sounds. Now, I know a lot of people use the same Sony stereo mic I have. It's the same one I use in my Hero 4 Silver here. It's the proper TCCR, what the fuck ever, so it's supposed to work in that. So, but I am still actually curious if it is the mic. I don't know. Going off the GoPro forum, I'm reading people's complaints, and especially ones that are all the same. Crackling sound in my audio, crackling sound in my audio. And GoPro's like, well, make sure you turn quick capture off, try this. It's your microphone, it's your microphone, it's your microphone. I haven't actually seen anybody say, yes, that fixed it. I haven't seen any solution to this yet. So my curiosity is, has anybody else had this issue? And if they did, how the fuck did they fix it? Because I'm not believing it's my microphone right now. Right now, it's just hard for me to believe it's my microphone. I just don't believe that. But it might very well be. I don't know. I don't know why I'm going this way. I ought to just hit the freeway. So I don't know. Has anybody else had this problem or heard of someone having this problem, and what fixed it, if anything? I originally thought it was my my adapter, because plugging it in, it's actually a pretty loose fit. It does not fit on the USB-C spot very well. I mean, it fits, it doesn't fall off, but it wiggles around. And I was like, well, shit, I don't even think my charger fits like that. But then I checked my charger, and sure shit, my charger fits like that too. It loose and kind of moves around too. So I don't know. I tried to even put a zip tie on it around the whole fucking camera, like all the way around, and see if that would hold it in place and maybe not move it around. I've seen some people say put some tissue paper around the holder. That ain't it. I mean, it's an external mic. I should not be picking up anything on the camera at all. You know, the external mic shuts your internal mic off. At least it's supposed to, I think. So like I said, if anybody's ever had this issue, then please let me know. Let me know what fixed it. Because right now I'm at a loss, except for going to buy another mic, which I might end up doing anyways. I might go do that today, just to try it. I got this damn nice expensive fucking camera sitting here, and I can't even fucking use it except for a damn facing me camera, and that's not what it's for. It's too expensive of a camera to be sitting there like that. Now that's what the session's for, and I'm not even using the session right now because I got it. I'm just using the footage of this, and I really want to record in 4K. I actually probably should have turned it in 4K before I started making this, but oh well. My next issue that I'm gonna ask for a little bit of more help with. I'm almost to that 500 sub. I checked this morning before I left, so just a couple minutes ago, I'm at 483. So I'm getting pretty fucking close to that 500 sub. I do plan on having a 500 sub giveaway. I haven't done any other giveaways because I don't see it necessary. 500 subs, that's a pretty big step for me and for my channel. So yes, I plan on doing a giveaway. Probably t-shirt, maybe a hoodie, something like that, stickers, yada yada yada. And also I have to say, 209 Moto, I think that's right, I'll put his link right here. He just hit 100 subs, and he actually did a 100 subscriber giveaway. Sorry about that. And I won it. And actually what I won was the case to this, like the motovlogging case or whatever it is for this. So that'll be cool. Can't wait for that to get here and I can try it out too. Hopefully I can work out all the damn bugs of this camera. It always goes back to, I've said several times, stick with what you know. And this is right here's what I know. Still works perfectly. So I have no issues. I've never had an issue with mics. I've never had an issue with the camera. It's always worked. My audio is always really good. My video is always really good. It always works. But I really did want an upgrade. I wanted to try this out. And plus I wanted to live stream with it. I wish they fixed the whole gotta live stream with a hotspot from your phone, but whatever. I have Verizon. Verizon's really good out here, so hopefully I can get a strong enough signal to do it. I don't know if anybody else out here has tried, really. The youngest daughter come to me the other day and said, Dad, I want to go for a ride. And she's only been on my bike one other time. Other than that, she really doesn't ride too much. So I was like, okay, well, we'll go for a ride sometime this week. You know, maybe after I get off work one day or something. So yesterday we went for a ride. I didn't record it. I actually took the cameras off this helmet yesterday because I didn't want to have the cameras on there with her on the back and just have a nice chill ride with my daughter. She went to put on my spare full face. Woo, man, that thing was way too big. It wouldn't even tighten up around her chin. It was so big. So I was like, well, the only other thing I got are half shells, and they're novelty helmets. They're $15 helmets for my $15 head. And she goes, I don't care, I trust you. I said, okay. So she put on one and she says, are you gonna wear one? I said, you know what? I'll pull out the old Sex Juice half shell and I'll throw a picture of that one up here. So I threw it on and she threw it on, and that's the first time I rode with a half shell in a long time. And I forgot sounds. Like things that make sounds. The sounds from my bike. The only thing that really worried me was like, man, my transmission makes a lot of fucking noise on this bike. And I don't remember it ever making that sound before. But it does. It's pretty fucking loud noise. Shifting is very loud on it. I don't remember it ever making that sound before, so it's stuck in the back of my head like, uh-oh, did I hurt the transmission racing it? With this full face, you can't hear that shit, so. But anyways, I figured I'd just throw this video together real fast. Just kind of a little bullshit video. A little bit of help for my subs. I need a lot of help for this GoPro because I really want to use the damn thing. So if anybody has any answers about that, please let me know. As always, thanks for watching my videos. Thanks to my subscribers already for subscribing. Thanks to all the people that actually watch my videos. Not all my subscribers watch my videos. Matter of fact, 80% of my video watches come from Facebook. They don't even come from YouTube subscribers. Kind of ridiculous, but that's how it always has been. It's always how it's going to be. Please like, because everybody knows liking the video helps it get spread around a little bit more YouTube. And if you would like to, share it with your friends, your family, your lovers, your mistresses, your boyfriends, your girlfriends, your dogs, your cats, everybody. I hate ending vlogs at a red light, so I won't. But I guess I could. Fuck it. Whatever. And also, as always, I hope y'all have a great weekend or great week, whatever time of day is you're watching this. Dream about me? And I'll catch you on the flip side. Later.